I looked in the mirror one day and I saw that my eyes were a little puffy, I had some wrinkles, and my face needed a lift. All ladies, when they get to a certain age, I feel that they need a little help. And that's when I decided to come to Dr. Newman. He was recommended to me by my dermatologist, and Dr. Newman was absolutely wonderful. Beginning of August, Dr. Newman did my eyes, both upper lids and lower, and then we waited until the end of October, and I had a full facelift. The results have been terrific. For me, my self-esteem, my self-image, just looking in the mirror, I absolutely love what I see. I have been complimented how much younger I look and how much my face, the skin on my face, looks absolutely terrific. And I'm just very, very pleased.